Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to earn free stars on Telegram. How to get free stars on Telegram. The first thing you do is open up your Telegram and then you tap on the three lines at the top left corner, tap on settings, then you scroll down until you see my stars, tap on my stars, and then you see earn stars. This is earn stars. Now you can earn stars by distributing links to mini apps. So you earn a share of their revenue in stars. Click on it, let's see how we can earn the stars. Then you can earn stars through affiliate programs. You earn a commission each time a user who first accesses a mini app does it through your referral link. The person spends stars within it. So the person has to use your referral link to access a mini app and also needs to spend star on it. So it is reliable. You receive guaranteed commission for spending by users you refer. You will track a commission from referred users in real time. You can check, so it's transparent. It is simple. Just choose a mini app below, get your referral link and start earning stars. These are the mini apps. Let's say I want to invite someone to join me using this. So you tap on it, then tap on join program. So see a referral link, copy it, then share to whoever you want. People that you want to share it to them. So if they click on that link and they spend stars on it, then you get commission. So copy the link now, paste the link, click on send. It's as simple as that. So once they spend stars on that particular mini app, I get a commission for it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.